Hey, what's going on, y'all? This your man Step. Clearly, it's gonna be me building my new PC. You know what I'm saying? It's already built. You know, I had it today to 26. I had it built since like a few days. You know what I'm saying? And it was fun. It was real annoying, real frustrating at certain points. You know what I'm saying? It took me like 7 hours to do. But then again, it was my first time actually building one. My first PC. That one was pre-built, but I just felt like it was just time to give it up. You know what I'm saying? So many different games coming out here. I got to kind of keep up with the times. I got that computer back in 2017. You know what I'm saying? So a few years old. Well, yeah, a few years old it was time. But this one right here, I'm so happy. You know what I'm saying? Because it looked good. It mean a lot to me because I built that shit. I hope y'all have a good time watching this again. Merry Christmas. I mean, even though it's a day late, y'all probably not going to see this for another couple days. But Happy New Year's. Happy holidays. I appreciate y'all for sticking around. If you watched the video, thank you so much. And that's it. Hey, what's going on, y'all? This your man, Step. And Merry Christmas. It's the holiday season, man. If you survived this whole year, good job to you. And I'm glad you're here watching this video. So, yeah, today I will be building my new PC. You know what I'm saying? I made a few, little announcements, if you want to call them that. I made them on my channel, but I deleted them shits because, I just wanted to. So anyway, yeah, I'm building my new PC today, man. It's been a long time coming, you know what I'm saying? I've been waiting on this for about a year. Yeah, I mean, I'm a little nervous. I've been nervous. I've been ordering all this shit for the past 2 weeks. I ain't really been as nervous as I'm making it out to be, you know what I'm saying? I was more excited than anything, and then, the nervous feeling started coming when my case got here. And I'm gonna show y'all my case in a minute. I'm kind of just bullshit right now, just blabbering on. I'm a first time PC builder, today. This is gonna be my first time actually putting together some shit. The only thing I can honestly say I did close to putting together a computer was switching out the motherboard and the CPU. That's it. And, putting in a graphics card and shit. But that was just taking shit out and cleaning it up and shit like that. So yeah, today I'm most def, putting together a whole new PC. I'm excited for this, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be my thing, my baby. Oh boy, oh, muscle man, so strong. So yeah, this, if you can see it, this is my original, computer, the one I got 3 years ago. This what carried me all this way, you know what I'm saying? My little cyber power computer. It's my a little ride or die right here, you feel me? This thing dusty as shit because I ain't cleaning it well. I was holding off cleaning it because I knew I was going to be building this new one, and this thing right here stuck through a lot of shit, but it's been wearing down. Certain things just been kind of breaking on it. And besides, it's so out of date, everything that's in here is basically out of date and I need to catch up, I mean, I ain't got the best shit, to be building my PC today, but I got some shit compared to this. I had a Ryzen 5 1400, real old, you know what I'm saying? I had a B350 Bazooka motherboard and a RX 580 graphics card. And this is the new case. This is the new case. I think it's bigger than that. I don't know yet. I ain't opened the box yet. It just got here today. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for y'all. And I don't know. It's crazy. I was dead as looking forward to this for a year, like I said. But I honestly, I'm over here just breaking shit. I wasn't planning on doing this for a while. I really wasn't planning on doing this damn old computer building thing until until I move. Good things happen to people who wait. And this shit right here, let me tell y'all about this case. So this case right here is a Montech Sky One. You know what I'm saying? It's one of their newest case. I think it is their newest case. You know what I'm saying? This shit came out in like September, I think. I'm probably wrong. But that's what I saw on Amazon. I bought it from Amazon. And ain't nobody review this shit. At first I was nervous. Because I was like, man, because usually when I shop on Amazon, I like to, look at reviews and see what people say, but it wasn't nothing on this, so I'm basically taking a chance, I mean, they other cases, people that said they was good, you know what I'm saying, real good quality shit. But I wanted something different, I really wanted something different from what everybody was getting and shit, because honestly, I wasn't planning on getting this case. I was going to get something else, but You know, I wanted to try something new. You know, come on, please get out of the box. There we go. There we go. I'm probably making so much noise. I'm trying out my little lavalier mic. I had this bitch for like a long time and I ain't never used it. So yeah, this the case. That's the bottom. I need that. I need it. Actually, it ain't even that. You know, it ain't even that big. I did check the measurements before I bought it, and it seemed like it's bigger than that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this thing is dope. Oh yeah, this is dope. And it smell good too. I love like fresh smell, you know, the fresh smell when you first buy something. And it don't come with shit. You know what I'm saying? It's just the case. It don't come with no card, no, hey, thank you for buying this. They just straight down to business. So if I put them next to each other, it's taller. The new one, the Montec, is taller and a little longer and just a tad bit wider. So yeah, it's bigger. And that's good. Cause the shit that I got, at first I didn't know if it was gonna fit, you know, but it will. It should. It better. You got the little mesh thing, the little, you know, thing that go on top for the filter, you know, for the stuff. It's got the little buttons on the top. You can't see shit. I'm not in this shit to be telling y'all exactly what's up. You know what I'm saying? I'm just looking at this because I ain't never looked at it yet. Oh man, I like this. Oh yeah, let me show y'all something real quick. So on the front, it come with a slide panel. But that ain't what I was trying to tell y'all. That ain't what I'm trying to tell y'all at all. The fans in here that it come with, you know? I like this. I like this a lot. But yeah, the fans it come with 2 pre-built fans. I don't know if they both RGB, but I know the one in the back is RGB. And I think the one in the front might not be RGB. Well, then again, I think this one ARGB. You can't see, well, you can. This one. Right here, yeah, I think this is ARGB. So what I'm gonna do is probably take it. I'm thinking about taking it off and putting it in another spot, but I don't know yet. I gotta see if this one in the front is ARGB because it said it come with 2 fans, and I see it. Nah, the one in the front not ARGB, but I could take it. You know, I could take it off and put a. Cause I got what they at? These fans right here. That's not the fans, but cool. These fans right here. I got 5 of them. It's the RF120M deep cool fans. Yeah, all that. So yeah, I was thinking about putting them bad boys, you know, like 2 in the front and 3 up top. Oh, that's it. Well, see, I was gonna put 2 up top because I thought it came. This case came with 2 ARGB fans, but it only come with 1. So I guess I'm gonna just put 3 of them things up top and then put 2 in the front. It's gonna look kind of weird, but I don't give a shit. Like I said, deep cool fans right here. I got this V5 Vetru, I guess that's how you say it, CPU cooler. Look pretty dope, it's big as hell. And I got this 750 watt bronze Ars Game battery. For my graphics card, I got the XFX Thick 3. You know what I'm saying, from what I saw. I was looking at a lot of graphics cards, and I know the 6800s and all them other ones came out and shit like that, but good luck finding one of them, because I was looking around for the past few weeks. Shit's been sold out. I caught this just in time. And you know, it's funny, when I bought this, them shits went sold out as soon as I bought it. So I'm pretty sure I got the only one that they were selling. And as far as my motherboard, I'm using the X5, well, the 570 Gaming Edge Wi-Fi. I had this and my CPU. For the CPU, I'm using the Ryzen 5 36X. Yeah, because I know it's going to be some people out there who going to assume some shit or tell me that, hey, you know, I could have saved up for this or that, or I could have had something better or whatever the fuck. Some of these parts I had sitting for a while. The only new thing right now is the battery, the graphics card, and the fans. The CPU and the motherboard and the case. But the CPU and the motherboard are old. So now that we basically got that shit out the way, I gotta, oh, y'all can still see me. Thought y'all couldn't see me. I'm just taking the back plate off. You know what I'm saying? I like this case. It's dope. Do it come with nails in it? What kind of shit is it? Oh, it just slide off. I was like, what in the hell? That would have been dumb. It already come with cords? Unless those connect to the damn back. I don't know. All of this shit. Oh, this must be the header for RGB. Yeah, I forgot it do come with that shit. Do it come with a hard drive? I see a hard drive box. No, it just come with an empty box. You see how they be putting, well, it's something in here. Ain't nothing but a bunch of screws. I got them. So yeah, I pretty much did my damn, my Christmas shopping. I'm pretty much great. I'm good to go. So how about y'all? What y'all got planned for Christmas, Honestly, I don't too much celebrate Christmas like that no more. You feel me? I mean, hey, ain't nothing wrong with it. Even if you ain't, you're not the celebrating type. Shit, just enjoy it as another day. All right, motherboard in there. I already got the CPU in there. It's great. I mean, if y'all want to see it, I'll show y'all later. You know what I think I'm going to do now is put the battery in. Yeah. It come with this stand thing in here that'll keep the graphics card from, tilting and shit like that. If you got one of them big handy ones, you know what I'm saying? One of them hammer size ones. Yeah, it's got a thing in here that you could, slide and shit like that. And I'm guessing this it right here. But I kind of don't even want to move it. Actually, I ain't even got to move it. It's only for if you got a EATX. I learned a lot of shit about computers this year. You feel me? A lot of shit. I learned a lot of different things. And I'm learning. I'm still learning. And I checked this battery. Don't worry. I tested it before I did all this. So the battery worked fine. It came with this thing. I love that smell. But yeah, it came with this thing where you could test it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, let me tell y'all something about these bullshit ass people who sold me the battery. You know what I'm saying? It's a company, duh. But so yeah, check this out. You see that? Free gift. Now check this out, man. It say click the link down below and answer a few questions. Then the $39.99 RGB hard mouse pad will be shipped to you free of charge, limited to one per customer. So I did this. You go on this website on the back and you fill in the information. But this is what they don't tell you. When you do that and you submit your info and all that crazy stuff, and I emailed them, they said that it's an 80% chance that you can win this damn thing. Considering on this it's a free gift. And if you just fill in the information, you get this sent in the mail. That's false advertising. They need to change that. It's so stupid. They tried to tell me in my email that I got an 80% chance of winning it. And if I want to boost my chances, I got to leave a review on their battery. That'll help me out. What kind of shit is that? Okay. So we got a problem. Oh, I think I broke something. All right, then I guess we can start on the fans. I'm nervous, dog. It's actually pretty good shit, though. It's going pretty good, you feel me? It ain't as bad as I thought, but then again, I ain't really get into the wiring yet. And here go Here go the fans. Got 5 of these bad boys. So yeah, what I learned about these, you can actually daisy chain them. If you don't know what daisy chaining is, hey, basically just connect them and then use one as like the primary source for the lights and the power, and then they'll all work. That's 2. Oh, wait. Oh, I was like, wait a minute. They said 5. What the hell happened to the 5th one? But it's right here sitting in front of me. Yeah, I'm going crazy. But yeah, I went through a lot of shit this year. I'm thankful though, you know. I mean, I ain't make it to the end yet. Fucking plane could come crashing down, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just happy as shit, especially knowing all the BS that's been going on in the world. I'm real happy that I was able to survive all the shit that's going on. Oh, almost done. Oh my God. Last one. See, I don't know why they ain't just wired both of these cords that came with the fan at, you know, at once instead of doing it one at a time, because that shit, now I'm starting to realize why some people don't even fucking tie the loaf of bread bag back up right. Now all I gotta do is just put them on here, which is not gonna be a problem at all, because I did look up how you know, put fans on. I got this. Got the motherboard put in, I got the CPU put in, I got the battery put in. What else is there to put in? I got the cooler, but I'm gonna wait on the cooler. I think right now is the time for me to actually put all this shit together, like wire all this shit together. Yeah, y'all gotta understand, it's not gonna be the best, you know, work as far as building this thing. And see, my only issue is, you know, it's like I can put it together, it's just cable management. That's my biggest issue right now. That's my main enemy. I guess we can go ahead and, you know, get this party started, you feel me? I think we can go ahead and just start, you know, wrapping these cords up and yeah. Okay, last thing to do, I think, is to just go ahead and put in the graphics card. So yeah, here you go. It's a big boy, big chungus. See, that's it. It's about damn near the length of this damn case. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and put this bitch in, and we're gonna call it a day. I gotta take 2 of these things off. Shoot. Oh no! Ooh! It's good. It's good. That just scared me. I seen things just flying all over the place. I'm like, oh shit, it's breaking to pieces. There we go. I got it to fit. Just had to take a bunch of shit out this case. Man, see, I thought it was it was technically the arm stand thing for the case, you know what I'm saying, that'll hold your graphics card up. That was kind of in the way, so I had to flip it out the way and shit, but I ain't have to take it out. I thought I was going to have to take it out. But no, it was just these little slots on the sides, you know what I'm saying? I mean, so far it's coming along pretty good, you know? I'm happy. I'm real happy. Oh, damn. I'm so used to the graphics card just getting put in. This thing heavy. But yeah, I'm so used to that going in. But it looked good, you know? See? Look at that. Look at that. Y'all can't really see shit, but yeah. It's coming along good. You know what I'm saying? The case looking real spiffy, but it ain't done yet. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, that was on the graphics card. Scared me. I'm looking at all these little pieces and parts and stuff, and I'm like, the hell is all this going to? You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking I'm breaking stuff, but we did that. What else we gotta do? I know I gotta put this. That ain't going back on. I forgot to take all this wrap off the graphics card. Yeah, I forgot to take it off. That's my fault. Am I gonna have to take this thing out? Hell yeah. I'll just try to take as much off as I can. See, now it looks much cleaner. I was like, why this thing look a little dusty? It's because I ain't take the stuff off. Never mind, I got it off. Yeah, I got it all off. That was a bit of a squeeze. See, make sure you get all your wrap off. It's looking real clean. I like it. Why I got it sideways? Is it anything else? Oh yeah, I gotta plug up the damn graphics card. Here we go. This is what I was looking for. I should have did this one when I ain't. You know what? Let me not trip. I did a good job. So far. How the hell this go in? Oh, I got it. Now all I gotta do is route it. But where the hell it's gonna go? I think we good, y'all. The only thing I gotta put in now is this damn cooler. And you know what? I got two different kinds of, just a side note, you know what I'm saying? I got two different kinds of, oh, here we go. Yeah. Yeah, so I got two different kinds of thermal paste, you know what I'm saying? I got this new shit, this Arctic MX4 shit. A lot of people say it's good. You know what I'm saying? I went ahead and got that. But I got this TM30, this Corsair shit that I had for maybe like, I don't know how many months, a while. You know what I'm saying? Probably half a year. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this because I still got something in here and it really don't make sense to sit there and, you know, throw this away. I might as well use it for what it is and save the real good shit for later. You feel me? I wasn't expecting this, so I just said, fuck it. Let me show y'all this big ass cooler real quick. This the fan. It's about the same size. It's like 120 amps, just like these other fans, but then it's got this big ass metal piece that go on it. This the cooler, you know what I'm saying? And then you got all these little bits and pieces that go for, you know, like whether you got a Intel processor, AMD. Still got to get the fan on it, but I'm gonna wait because I know the fan, I think the fan's super easy to put on, so at this point all I gotta do is just put this thermal paste on this CPU, and then yeah. Come on, bro. Last one. Damn. This fucking shit killing me. Oh, fuck. That was it. Yeah. I got it. Damn. That took me like, shit. That probably took me like an hour. I mean, you know what? That's, damn bit. Oh, no. It seemed like the damn thing ain't even fucking want to fit. And I think I put it on wrong, but I'm going to just go ahead and say I put it on right. But I need to put on the fan for the cooler. Now this right here, probably going to be a bitch because, I mean, even though that's for daisy chain, I ain't got to worry about daisy chain. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take care of this real quick. This shouldn't take long. Oh, all right, I got it on. Damn, I swear this cooler was the most annoying part for me. Most annoying part, without a doubt, but I did it. Got it looking good. Let me show y'all real quick. Oh, not the ugly wiring. I mean, it's looking good. I know this ain't the best damn video to be looking at this shit, but fuck it. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing something good, damn it. All right, y'all, here we go. Finna turn it on. I'm nervous as fuck. Damn.